Are you a busy art teacher struggling to manage
tight budgets with minimal prep time?
We are too.
Hi, art teachers.
Welcome to the Art of Education's
Art Room Hacks 2.0.
In this season, we are diving headfirst
into some of our favorite mediums.
We're going to be sharing game-changing hacks to make teaching them more engaging, efficient,
and so much easier.
We'll explore neat technique tricks,
innovative time-saving tips,
and jaw-dropping, budget-friendly substitutions.
that'll have you and your students saying, wow.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
Join us for ceramic hacks,
Digital and darkroom hacks,
Drawing hacks,
embroidery and sewing hacks,
Painting hacks,
media art hacks,
printmaking hacks.
If you want more, because you know you do,
make sure you like this video
and subscribe to the Art of Education.
You won't want to miss a single episode.
you know you don't. Subscribe.